Yes! Excited! I cut my finger today. What a way to start off the new year. Oh my god. Welcome back, you guys, to the HR Show Experience. If you are new, honey. I'm Howard. Welcome back. Howard Reese, honey, if you're new. Gonna wet my beauty blender. And right now, I don't know if you can tell I'm in the bathroom. The sink is literally right underneath you, baby doll. Yes. Whew. Child, why am I so hot? Maybe I should take off my shirt. Okay. Oh, that helped a little bit. That helped me. Now let's put on a primer. Today, okay, I'm going to be using the Nars Smooth and Perfect Primer. Yes, honey. Yes. Ooh. Now, honey, I don't know your thoughts on this primer, girl. But, honey, this primer is everything, honey. Like, I feel like my skin is already looking better. Like, already. Now, she is smelling like a little Vicks. Okay? But I love that she has a little SPF in it, huh? Because let me tell you something right now. You need SPF year-round. Don't let nobody tell you, honey, oh, well, it's winter, honey, you know, sunscreen. They lying and they trying to get you looking like leather. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Cabral, okay, by Benefit. Honey, she is my good old go-to. Honey, I can depend on sis when I really need her. Ever since I discovered her and I saw the goodness that she likes to bring in, honey, listen. Ooh, child, what? It's on my brush, honey. I cleaned all my brushes, honey. I made sure I wasn't going into the new year with no dirty brushes. Honey, who does that? Child, I clean my brushes after each use. Like, literally. I don't like a dirty brush, honey. It bothers me. Honey, I was going to do a little Q&A, but apparently we're going to do the Q&A after I'm done beating my face. Because, honey, I can't read Twitter and everything while recording. You know what I mean? And, I mean, right now you may be saying, honey, they look a whole mess. But sis, that's just because, honey, we're filling her in right now, honey. We're filling her in, and then we're gonna define her. Don't you worry. Honey, by the time I'm done, honey, I'm gonna be so beat, girl, you'll be shook, okay? Shook. Baby doll, you wanna come in and say hi?
I gotta take this off in a few when my face falls off. This is one I can't really keep on too long.
Okay.
I was gonna get in the shower. I don't wanna interrupt. Oh, bitch, you got a full face, you said.
Yeah.
Quite some time.
Now, well, don't do me like that, because I'm gonna try to come on and... do you want to tell everyone Happy New Year?
Happy New Year, everybody. I hope everyone's New Year is going so much better than mine. Hallelujah.
Oh, shit. So, I'm going to be using today what is this called? Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Honey, we're going to sculpt out these brows.
It's on my stomach, girl. Now I really got to come in here. I really got to come in here, baby.
Okay. At this exact second? Okay.
Undressed.
Oh, and you're getting in the shower.
Yes.
Oh.
Cleaning my asshole.
Oh. Clearly, honey, I'm in the living room. And now we're gonna try to sculpt out these brows. Oh, I'm at this window and I don't have a shirt on and I'm cold. Oh, I think I just did it. Oh, bow, wow. Ow, bada bow, bada bow. Hey, baby. What is that? 1, 2, 3, not it? Ooh, these brows are in for the win. I just burped. Oh god. Boop boop. Child, need to be moisturizing my lips, boo boo. I'm using the Nars. What is it? Is this like Radiant Creamy or something like that? All Day Luminous. There we go. Weightless. I'm just gonna put it like that. Am I good to go? Yes, now I can just start applying it. So, yay! Yes. Come on, Nars. Like, get into that forehead, sis. I'm not very pleased with it, truth be told. Because, honey, it's not very ching-ching. You know how I do. Honey, I can blend for an hour. I really honestly can. Like, honey, I know my makeup routine is intense. Ooh, I love this. This Nars foundation is radiant. Honey, like, I feel like I am 2 seconds from jumping through the camera at you. I don't want, like, I was watching a person's, like, I used to add so much concealer. And then I was watching somebody's YouTube video, and he was like, you guys are adding too much concealer. And I was like, sis, you might be right. Yes, forehead. Honey, when the girls want to be beat, when they want to, but they don't always make it. Shout out to them. Under eyes, we don't know that life. I'm going to use the Kat Von D setting powder. Kat Von D was cute for me the other day, and like literally, like when I was using it, everybody was like, oh my god, like you look so good. And I was like, really, girl? I'm trying new stuff. Alright. I just want to do a light little baking on the forehead, you know what I mean? Now, okay. What am I supposed to do next? I forgot. Oh, there we go. Honey, I'm about to apply my eyeliner. If you want to know what eyeliner I'm using, it's Feline by MAC. I don't know if you know, but that is like my favorite eyeliner. Absolutely. There I go. And once again, start with what you struggle with. So this is my problem eye, so I'm going to do that one first. Woo! Woo! And as I told you, she's my problem eye. She always wants the water. And there she goes. There she goes. But like literally, can you see the difference? Like this is why I love eyeliner. Like I gotta close this too. That little bit of air is gonna make it worse. Almost giving cartoon eye, regular eyeball. Here we go. And there we go. Now I need a brush to sweep off this bake. I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna use the powder brush. Ooh, honey, Kat Von D is not sweeping away. Oh, she's sweeping, honey. Sometimes you gotta do it a few times. You know, you can't just like, oh, she's gone. No, you gotta. Here we go. This is where we are thus far. Bow, bow, bow. Ah! So I am going to use my Studio Fix in the color NC47. I like to start by like kind of patting the powder in, you know, just to set all of the makeup real good. Like any place where you didn't put that translucent powder, because I don't put the translucent powder everywhere, because honey, I will look like a ghost. So going around my brows. Now normally I also would put a little brow set on my brows, but hun, it broke. I knocked it off the counter, and honey, the thing just cracked and shattered. I'm not giving it to you. I'm giving you what you need. I'm gonna apply this little bit of blush. And I'm just using a little Tarte, okay? There we go. And to highlight, honey, I have got to use my Jeffree Star 24 karat palette, honey. There's just no other palette to use because I don't have any other. Honey, my good dark horse, honey. I love me some dark horse. Oh my god. Put a little dab right there. Put a little bit right there. I like to put a little in the center of my forehead. And then we're gonna just put a little down the center of our nose. Did we do it? Oh, we gave it. Oh, we're giving the kids something on today. Honey, we're giving the kids New Year's face. Okay? Here we go. And I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex, honey. And this is in a little glitter packaging, which I love. I didn't curl my lashes, which is a whole fail. But I really just don't feel like it. Honey, I'm ready to be done. So, honey, sometimes I don't always curl my lashes. Okay? Can you see it? Maybe I should turn a little bit that way so you can, there you go. Get over here like that, Dad. Can you see that? Oh. There you go. Bam! You can see. All right, we did the top and we did the bottom. Bow, bow. Oh, we're giving it today. The girls. The girls could never. The girls could never. But I do have this little thingy here, and I think she was a sample. I don't think I bought this. But Nars has these velvet matte lip pencils that I've been saving this, and I've been wanting to try it. My lips are dry. Like, girl, dry. Oh, girl, she smells so good. Honey, I love her. Oh, that did it. Because she was dry. She was too dry. Yes. Because the Fenty Gloss Bomb is also a moisturizer. Yeah, I'm pleased with this. This is like a good beat, yeah? For the first beat of 2019, honey, I think it's a win. Like, let me go put on a shirt and I'll be right back. Yes, honey. Now we're seeing something, girl. Yes. Ow. Bringing in the new year. All kinds of beat. Oh. I'm living for this lip. I wish I had exfoliated my lips first because maybe it would look better. For the first phase of 2019, I think it's a win. Hold on, dog. I can't believe I forgot. Hun, I forgot to lock it in. I forgot to set my face. So I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock It In. I guess she's locked. We'll let her dry. I can't wait to answer you guys' questions. I tweeted out that I'm doing a Q&A for my first video of 2019, and you guys sent me some questions, and I love it. Alyssa asked me, what was the best part of 2018? And I would have to say my favorite part of 2018 would be going to playlists and VidCon. I absolutely loved it. Like, I love playlists, I love VidCon, and also just like going there and being around people that do the same thing that I do, and not only that, like, I get to meet you guys also. So that is my favorite part. Okay, so my next question comes from Courtney Revolution. He said, what's the biggest goal you would like to accomplish in 2019? The biggest goal that I would like to accomplish in 2019 is to really bring my pieces together, because like I am hearing you guys loud and clear that honey, y'all want this, and honey, I want y'all to have it. Boom. Okay. And my other goal that is just as big for me is to release this new music. Felicia has written in with a couple of questions. She said, oh, what's my current favorite album? That is so hard. Wow. Can I give you a tie? It would have to be between Dawn Richard's Redemption and Tekashi 6ix9ine. His album is called Dummy Boy. Listen, I literally live for that. Like, oh my gosh. But yes, so Dawn Richard Redemption and Tekashi 6ix9ine Dummy Boy, my favorite albums. The next question is, what's your least favorite part of your daily beauty routine? That's a good question. My least favorite part would be, I don't know. I really enjoy getting glam, and not only just that, I enjoy doing skincare and all of that. So I can't really say that there's something that is my least favorite that I dislike. And then her last question is, what's my biggest accomplishment of 2018? And I would say my biggest accomplishment of 2018 is just literally getting through the year. Like, so many, like, I had some amazing highs, and I also had some really epic lows in last year. And just getting through the year is an accomplishment. And I feel like every day that we wake up to have a new day to do better is an accomplishment. So celebrate the small goals. Although I don't feel waking up every day is a small goal. Okay, I think it's actually rather huge, because you know, yesterday and days before, hun, there are people that did not wake up. But you and I, we got to wake up again. So that's an accomplishment. Oh, hey Kai! Oh my gosh, thank you so much for your question. It says, what is something you've always wanted to do and hope to make a reality in the coming year? That's a really good question. I want to perform my music. That's really what I want to do. I want to release this music and I want to perform it for you. Okay, I want to have music videos. That's really what I want to do. And I also would like to travel overseas. Like, I have never been overseas before. I'm excited. You guys, thank you so much. I'm living my best life. I can't get enough. You guys, and please, I want to be doing these questions. I can't talk. I want to do these question and answers every week. So you guys, make sure you're following me on Twitter, because that is where I'm going to tweet it out. Okay, I'm going to say I'm doing my Q&A. Send me your questions, because I'm about to sit down and record the video. So you guys, thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, this little Q&A moment that we just went through. And of course, the first full beat of 2019. Bow, scowl, these flickish brows. Bow, oh. Honey, get into this face. I'm giving you flawless moment, no? I think so. I'm gonna be done, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit my subscribe button. Please hit my subscribe button. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Leave a comment. You have to leave a comment, you guys. I really want to read your comments. Like, I can't wait to comment back, okay? Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Snapchat. Follow me on the Like app, hun. Follow me. Follow me, baby. I'll love it. You'll love it. We'll have a good time together. And message me. Don't just follow me and just, like, silently watch what I'm doing. That's kind of creepy. Let's live our best life. I am ready to turn all the way up, okay? You do not even know. I am having a whole new breath of fresh air. I'm feeling fabulous. I'm feeling beautiful. I'm feeling energized. I'm feeling loved. I'm feeling appreciated. I'm feeling just a sigh of relief. And I'm so thankful to still be here. I'm so thankful to have breath in my body. I can't wait to just see how this amazing year unfolds, you guys. And I'm so happy to be able to do that with you. I'll see you next time. Bye.